currently testing all-time high conditions. Let me just check. Okay, yeah, I can hear myself. Let me just open Forex Factory. I need October 21st. I'm about to finish with this. So now I'm gonna finish up here and then look for some other dates. Why does it say the chat is disabled for this live stream? Hmm? Oh, they've selected made for kids. Okay, no, it's not made for kids. Okay, now there is a chat. Okay, it works. Okay, great. And gotta open up my Notion real quick. And I'll start the timer. I'm gonna backtest until market opens. It's like half an hour. I might do a bit more, like, depending on how the market looks. If we don't even have my correct bias set up, then I got no reason to. And I'll just start the timer right now. Okay. Okay. Yesterday I was like way too okay, tired to actually backtest, so I ended very early. So I would like to backtest a bit more today, but it depends on like how the market looks. I'm gonna look for longs from this 4-hour gap. Then go into the 4-hour. Yeah. Okay. Now it went. First high and then next high. Here. That's a pretty good close. Got this gap and this gap as well. So like that would be my trade. I'm gonna target higher and just go break even early. Damn, swept me out. Stop loss placement was bad. Or was it? Yeah, I'm losing out on risks on a proper risk to reward of this. So sadly, like, the loss makes sense. Well, that was my trade. Only thing maybe is if the 1 minute close, they were all pretty weak. And like I could have only entered at like a new 3-minute gap here. Like this wick, still smaller than this one, and then again, like wicking. And this is a way stronger candle. And I'll put my stop loss like that. Now I'm gonna go break in because it closed inside. And got a break even on that. So next 22nd, no red folder news. And I'll put in some music as well. Let's see if we had some longs here. No, only here would be an entry. I have this high target and this one as well. Like, yeah, that would be my stop loss. Got this high target. Could as well just wait for price to close above that, yeah. And use this gap for my stop loss. Then I don't need that other external one. Yeah, destroyed me. The rest of nothing. We're down to slots. I'll put it here so you can see it. Okay. Yeah, it works. Great. The gap close was a chop close kind. Think. Oh no, it was a V-shaped close. Or 650. Made negative 650. So targeted 1.54. Is it 4? Had no red folder, right? Yeah, only yellow folder news. Like again, do the same thing. Do I consider this an impulsive candle or do I not? Because like it is bigger than all of these candles. It does look like a pretty normal candle, so I will consider this. I would like to change my confirmation at some point with order flow. It's a bit hard to say just on that. No, no reset. 8 out of 5. Yeah, just Asia and London accumulated both and then just
and play them in any order. Tap the banner to learn more. Lean into the sounds you love. Anywhere with offline
Oh
downloads.
fuck, I muted myself on accident. Okay, we have like orange folder news. Hourly, I will look for lower the gap. Guess not. Yeah, it's an open. Okay, we had an entry on that, yeah. Like once we close below that, that would be my entry. I don't like the wicks, I'll wait for another close lower and we don't get it. So let's wait for 8 now. Okay, let's see. First low. Yeah, it is a low. Consider it. And the next low here. So we did close below, but we didn't close below this. Oh, no entries yet. Like 0 entries. Well, that's it for this day. And we have CPI, so I'm not trading CPI. Okay, let's continue. Feels like the last day of the session. Market shifted an hour earlier, got to know that. Daylight savings. No interest in that. There. We have one more trading day, or is it? Or is that it? Okay, we have another trading day. I see. Yeah, we're pushing past all-time highs again. Okay, Let's see if I get some shorts to this gap. Okay, got the gap close. Then, well, there isn't any blows. Like, I mean, it is same level low, so I'll just consider this a double low. That will be my entry. We have this gap as well to target. We can use this gap stop loss, like into that. What am I doing? Why am I not being patient even on my rules? On my own backtesting, man. Just wait for setup. Here I would look for shorts. Oh, it's 7 PM now. Wait, I didn't check news. Oh, there's nothing. Okay. Okay. Not this first low and then this next low. So we close below this candle, but very aggressively, so I'll wait for another close. Yeah, to be an entry. Very impulsive and a very strong wick. Just that. And we have one little gap, 2, 3, so we can target this second gap. And I'll use this gap close. Use this one? No. Do have an open gap here, so no, let's put it high. And I'll go break even here because of the time. Yeah, no trades here. It is pretty hard to trading all-time high conditions. This will be my entry. A weak close. Okay, that's a nice close. Oh fuck, we're already looking for longs here. So let's just look for longs. Got the gap close here. And I got the first sign, the next high. So we got already, I mean, we already closed above here. A bit wicking. Okay, that's a good close. That's the only reasonable stop loss placement here. No, what the fuck? What the fuck, man? Why does this perform so bad in October? The fuck? Oh, it was 7 p.m. my entry. Okay. That's why we had a daily shift. Okay. Forget that. Okay. No, it's 8 p.m. Only here would they look for longs. We do have news in a bit, so I'll just wait for the news. Damn.
Lean into the sound.
Got a nice close here. And we got wait, placed it bad. Okay. Got this first sign on this way. Yeah, that's the way too aggressive. Okay, wait. This was a pretty good close above. Like targeting nothing. Targeting straight air. And got my break even already. Next open. No news here. No serious news. Except the slow. Like I get barely any trades like this past the weeks on the backtesting. Let's see if we had my setup for him. First high, second high. Weak close. First high, next high. Now it's 7 p.m. so I'll just wait for next hour. Okay. The first high here and the next high here. Got another gap close here. First high, next high. Damn. Oh, shall I mean, yeah, stopped here. Oh wow, the win rate is bad. Like what is that? I mean, I remember October being a bad month for me. September is a bad month as well. Like I got 1, 2, 3 wins, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 wins and 5 losses. It is 60%. Well, we will do more time. So right now, I'm gonna look for another all-time high area of time, you could say. To win, I mean, we're at all-time highs. We got this well. Oh, that's what I just did. Okay, then we had pretty much from June. Make a great decision for that. Trading June. Basically June 23. On 24th June. Hold on. Oh, on the daily chart, that's why. 24th June to. Wait, let me write that. June 24th to. Pretty much here, which is July 31. A bit over a month. To July, July 1st. I'll do it like that. I'll continue here, just put my forex factor in that day. Okay. 24th of June. We have just Powell testifying, nothing too bad. And the hourly as well. The slow, I'm gonna look for higher. Oh, bad open. Okay, here we can look for shorts, but it is 7 p.m. I got the close, I got the first low here. And the next low is pretty much on the same area, so I'm gonna consider this E a double low. But this very aggressive close, so I'll just wait for another close. And never came. First low and then next low. Okay, that will be my entry. Or I do go break even like 4 minutes. So unless we get like only 1 minute in drawdown, the trade won't work out. Put my stop loss here. Like, yeah, I'm going break even here. Yeah, I'll not trade here. 25th June, we have Paul testifying again. Light. So the high, gonna look for lower. Hourly as well. Got a double O here. So took the drawn liquidity before even closing. Okay, got me an entry. Yeah, we can look for shorts again now. I mean, the 4 hour is looking lower. It's 7 though. Got this gap now to look for shorts off. Okay. Got the first low and then the next low. Close below, but okay, yeah, that's better close. Man, I don't have many targets. There's this random gap we can target as well. Just go break even on the 4 hour target. Oof. Should have gone break even there. Yeah. Supposed to go break even on that because it's like another rule that I have is if it traces very strongly like near my take profit, like go break even, like near my profit I go break even, like my actual target. Which is still bad. Yeah, see, it just reverses. Probably on SC took, that's why I'm doing that. Just means there's like no correlation between NQ and MNQ, which happens sometimes, or ES took T-low and created an SMT. Divergence, I don't like saying SMT. First low, next low here. And this first low and then this next low. Okay, then we had this 1 minute closer, the wick, and this one just basically completes it for the entry. That will be my trade. Oh no, no. That will be my trade. Wow. What did I do wrong? Like, yes, it worked a lot. Still, doesn't show conviction, right? Let me look at the close. Yeah, like this was rejected most of the time as well as this one. I gotta change my confirmation, man. No, it's 7 p.m., so I'll just wait for 8. I think I'll just set it as a rule that like only full candles like count as a close. First low on that, and then here. No, just 11, so no trade here. This gap. And on the hourly, still looking higher. It's gonna sweep this sign, then go lower. Now gonna look for lower. In the 1 minute we have this first low and this next low. Yeah. We did close below, but the wick still not the best. Now that is a close. Like, it's a pretty full candle. I don't wanna see how it looked in like 10-second increments. I mean, it was rejected a bit at the end, but then it pushed lower. No, it looks like a higher conviction entry for me. I'm gonna open trading view on my side as well because market opens, so let me check real quick. I'll show it, I guess, doesn't really matter. Okay, let's just see if there's anything for me. Fuck, I moved all my drawings. Didn't journal all the trades I have yet. I'm gonna, do I consider, I mean, probably, definitely, always didn't take his behind. Well, we got this 4-hour high that I think will get taken out. There's a target on the hourly. Oh, it's crazy how I didn't take that. On the hourly, gonna look for lower here. So like after we sweep this low, I can look for longs. Yeah, we also have a double high here, so probably that will be an entry. Interesting. Well, I'm gonna put it on my other screen for now. I'm gonna continue backtesting.
Music without limits. Tap the banner to get started. Want to spice up your listening?
And it was not a higher conviction close.
When you join Spotify Premium.
Why? Because it was still wicking. Why do I not listen? I just said like a minute ago I will only take like a close where the candle is actually full. And it's not full. There's this fucking wick that doesn't even close below this wick. I also feel like switching to order flow would show me that data that I'm looking for. Oh, it's 7 p.m. now. I'll just close here. First low and the next low. It validated. Not yet. Okay. Pretty good close. Not full candle. Okay, yeah, this was a full candle. Like, okay, now that is a good candle. It closed with the body inside of the other wicks, not with a wick, which I think looked great. Can I target this one? No other way. Yeah, I just have to target this one. And I'll put my stop loss at the high of the gap close I took. Okay, nice push. I'm gonna trail. If it does go to profit, it's being rejected very strongly now. Okay, yeah. Got this gap, which is it's a bit less than 70% of my target, but it's fine. Okay, get a protected high here. Got a double gap that I will not be switching to right now. Okay, get another protected high here. In more profit already. First time trailing actually gets me like more profit since I've started implementing it. Except for like the few months where I actually backtested it. And this is gonna be the top, yeah. Oh, I got a bit more profit. Got like... Yeah, I got a bit more profit. Good bag.
How old are you?
Okay. Okay, I will lock this trade now. The half web. It is in June 27. I think I want to get like 100 trades before I can say like any information. Like, I mean, this is a short and it worked well, and we're on all-time highest conditions. Why did I write London? Oh. The gap close was a V-shape. Risk 650 made 2,178.13. Oh wow, what the fuck did I write? 0.13. Trailing. Actual risk reward was 3.38. Targeted 2.67. Entry window was at 8. Target was the 4 hour. The hourly. That's not the hour. That was the 4 hours. Well, yeah. 4 hours still on the low. Since I'm on the high time frame already, I'll just write down the session profiling. We had Asia expanding, London pretty much accumulating, and New York manipulating both sides. So distribution, accumulation, and manipulation. Okay, and also get the hard time frame image. Stop loss placement was just the high. Target type, it's a retracement short before the market before the inverse. I mean, we were just chopping down slowly. I want to say expanding down because we weren't that choppy, and it was more of a continuation like trade. Choppy before entry, but exploded to target right after entry. Would have put stop loss higher, but had no confluences for it to put higher. Already said 5 out of 5. It's a nice big trade. News. What news do you have? SPC price index. What the fuck? Okay, next trading day, Monday, no news, pretty much. I think I'm gonna end it soon because... Oh, not yet. I don't have my bias aligning on trading on Nasdaq. I mean, I just need either of this swept, so we'll see. Till then, like, I'm backtesting properly, and I'll probably also do live trading. I do want to be very active right now to get more engagement. I want my journey to be documented well, and I like inspiring people, so if I see myself and I see myself being profitable in the very near future, I don't think I'm that far from it. I want others to get inspired by that as well. Oh, okay, put on the... Yeah, you probably heard the music twice. Okay, first high. Next high. Oh wait, I'm on the 3-minute retard. I mean, yes, I count every gap. It's a very small one. Whatever. Do not this high. Invalidated the gap. Close. Okay, but this more proper gap close. First high, then next high. Not a full candle. No, this is the full candle. Gonna target this high. Now that'll be my trade. Okay. That's the course 7 p.m. And gonna get me out. Yeah. Oh wow, crazy week. Was there news? Crazy week. No news. Gonna assume Trump. Big boy Trump. I mean, it's just... Oh... Yeah, I'm just set to push after sweeping me out, like, at the end of the day. Like, literally 2 hours before market close, we get this. Crazy work. This is what I was trading. Wild, well, whatever. Let's lock this. Let me just check trading again. Okay, it's fine. Looks like it's gonna sweep the high first. Like, I would comfortably long here. Just based off price action. Not that it's my trade. Okay. Okay, what I want? Okay, I wanted to lock the trade. A new plus. It's in June 30. 6:45. And got out at 8:57. Gap close was it was a V-shaped close with 650. PNL was negative 650. Target at 1.8 towards the reward. Entry was at 6 p.m. Was the hourly external high. Stop loss placement was low in your entry before inverse. No. Oh, it will change it to just low in your entry. Before inverse. Okay, no. Before, I thought before inverse meant like time-wise before inverse. Just remember, it means like before inverse, as in the lower level of the inverse, so below that. Type is an expansion long. Yeah. Follow the rules. 3-minute inversion. We're just chopping. News. News do we have? We had yellow folder. Just it's chopping all day. Chopped and then at the last 2 hours swiped me out and went to target. Really chopping. PM session. Alright, this 3 out of 5 is just a loss. Like, this is just market conditions, there's nothing I could do about it. Like, this is definitely like a volume node here. I feel. No, it isn't? Oh, guess I'm wrong. Really? Yeah, there isn't a volume node. I was thinking like this is like a volume node area, and that's why I did that. Probably if I look on the 50-minute at the wall, like, yeah, there's the gap. Like, I mean, it's just nearing the point of control, that's why I think. Trying to like see what the explanation behind my loss was. Like, what could I have done to prevent that? But there's nothing like in my strategy that I could have done to change that. So, wait, session profiling. Both Asia distributed, London accumulated, and New York manipulated again. No manipulation. Let me check trading view again. Let's see. Okay. Remember I said I was comfortable with longing? It did not go well. I'll go. That's not part of my strategy. Okay, that will be my bias. Got the close here. First high. And then next high is here. Yeah. Invalidated the gap close. And then went higher. Damn. Well, never reached target, I guess. Now it's just 7 p.m. My bias is higher. So I will wait for like price to come down. Well, no trade here. Whoa, what the fuck is happening on like NQ, man? The chart is crazy. It just adjusts every like major target above and below. Crazy. Totally wild. Price action. Anyways, back to backtesting. July 2nd. At the PNFP. Well, it's the only major thing. Currently in this session we're just one loss, one win. Sub this low and now for price to get this high now. Nice open. First time, the next high here. That's not a full candle. that is a full candle. But we did get the 1 hour target, which I didn't actually see before. So just gonna wait for shorts. Damn, would have played out very well. Just had to close way too aggressively. I'm just thinking, like, could I have considered this a full close? I want to see like how it developed in 10-second increments. Yeah, like this is a good candle. It just kept pushing like every time. It is a full candle. I'm just like scared that I'm saying that just because it was like a win that would have like played out well. No, it was. Put my stop at this and that will be my trade. Yeah. And here I'll start trailing. We got this low here, protected low. There is an issue with the fact that it's like skiing a lot here.
Let your music taste shine with
But
premium.
I'm like getting no protected. Okay, yeah. Got a nice protected low here. New protected low here. Now that is already great profit. And got me out at a lot like more than I would have gotten. And it's pretty much the top of the range. Started reversing around here. So that's pretty good trail. That's what I can say.
Spotify Premium is the best way to upgrade your listening experience.
So let's log that. I do want to add my Spotify instance to here. Okay. Yeah, edit it. Let's make a new. This is July 2nd. Entry at 16:36, 4:36, and exit at 17:54. The gap close was like chop close kind. Risked 650. Made 1,358.64. Trailing. I made 2.09 reward. Targeted 1.52, so got like 0.6 reward, 0.57, and break even at 0.7. Entry window was at 4. Target was the 4 external high. Stop loss placement was low of candle that closed in / inverse the gap. Target type was an expansion, long, all rules. True market confirmation. We were accumulating a bit before. Can't say it was chop. Oh, looks like we can backtest a bit more. Just price is like ranging so badly on NQ. So I don't get to trade yet. Oh, some of my stocks are going up well, finally. And then he's pushing. Damn, like I'm watching just one of my stocks that I bought. I bought and I need like 25, watched it go to 60. Didn't sell, got stopped out in like a bit profit. And then I entered again at around 22. Yeah, wait, let me continue. Got sidetracked. Oh, it does look like NQ now will actually take the high. So I might look for shorts. Then continue. Okay, July 2nd. Got ADP and FP. That's all. Market fundamentals. Entered, off, open, price, closed, a gap. Main pre-market. Got an entry and it spent pretty much just 10 minutes in drawdown. Trailed a bit past target. Price was really aggressive. I'm gonna rate this a 4 out of 5. Wait, that's a bad picture. I have to get some of the extras. Okay, let's look at these sessions a bit. Asia, I mean, pretty much accumulated, London manipulated, lower and York distributed. Very classic AMD. Power of 3. Wow, that is crazy, like what I'm seeing at the NQ chart. Hold on. I'll just show it here real quick. Oh, so you see it a bit zoomed out because it's on my smaller screen. Like it edged the 4-hour target again. It's wild. Crazy. Probably gonna get it though. Just so wild how it edges it. Okay, well, next trade. Probably gonna get like one more and we'll finish the day. I did like to do a bit more because yesterday I did like 15 minutes. But what's important to me is that I actually did. I was very tired, it was 2 AM, I was a bit drunk. Not drunk, just slightly tipsy, but yeah. Point still stands, I really just wanted to go sleep. But the grind must continue. I'm a bit sad I didn't start this series earlier. Get like 500 hours on backtesting pretty much. I probably would have had like a decent amount of like views by now. Considering I probably have a bit over a year backtesting already. But in that year I've met like a lot of hours. Pretty much that will be too low. And it's 7 p.m. now. Oh, market closed early here. I didn't even notice. Okay. We do have bank holiday this day, so I'll skip it. Next Monday. There's a break summit, but it's yellow folder, so it's fine. There, I'm gonna do all that and not sweep the low. Yeah, nice. I got like no highs here. Like that would be an entry, I guess. And I will probably use this following gap. Something like that. Just do a stop. Okay, yeah. Oh wow, it was 11. Yeah, I would have gotten break even here. Because at 11, I get out at break even. No matter if it's profit or loss, I don't just put break even, I just get out at break even. It's like 1 hour off market. I'm not letting the last hour just chop around to my drawdown. Damn, it still didn't sweep that high on NQ. Crazy. Okay, I'm gonna look for longs here. Oh, crazy push. Like this is the only gap. Like all the way up here maybe. Okay, good. Rejected. Please give me a better entry. Got the first side here and then the next one here. Oh wait, we had another gap close here. It is like past 7 p.m. now, but I'll just check if we didn't get entry at 6. Get the first side here and then the next one here. Yeah, no. Yeah, it's past 7 p.m. so just wait for 8. Oh, we took the high. Well, I'm gonna end it here then. That's it for today's backtesting session. Didn't an hour and 10 minutes. Oh, which is fine. Consider like 10 this 15 minutes I made to yesterday. Then I made yesterday made basically half an hour and today an hour. Well, that's it. Probably gonna do a live futures trading stream. Maybe we'll see. Doesn't look like there's my setup forming anytime soon for now, so we'll see. That's it.